Whoa! Hey guys, welcome back to RC Brucey. We're out here in the front yard again, gonna bash, right Tuck? Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Let's do this. You want me to jump over you? Beautiful Sunday morning, so we thought we'd get out here and get the RCs going. Charged them all, the batteries up this morning. Woo! How you doing over there, bud? See if I can hit myself in the face, get a cool camera shot here. Whoa! Only problem with doing that shot is that you lose the truck and you don't know what it's doing. Excuse me. Whoa! Looks like I'm like determined to hit myself in the face this morning with the Max. With the Max. Grass is pretty wet out this morning. Whoa, dude, that was cool talk. You all right? Whoa. I was running, for you guys been watching the channel, we've been running the Max on its regular stock tires, but we put the Revo 3.3s back on. Your battery dying, bud? All right, buddy. Let's go get you a new battery, guy. All right? All right, we just got the battery back in with Tux. He's got a Lipo 2-cell now. I told you it'd go faster, buddy. He was running the nickel that came with the truck. All right, buddy, let's head out. Wow, a lot better, huh? Yes. Oh, watch my truck over there and my remote. So like I said, we're out in the front, just bashing. Woo! Back up, buddy. Oh, all right. Well, because you were up against the ramp, buddy. All right, we're back at it. Whoa. Hey, buddy, that ain't gonna work, bud, because you're in the back of it. Woohoo! Buddy, because that's the fastest that goes right now, the way it's set up. That's a perfect trainer truck for you. Oh, man. I'm sitting here and I'm very nervous about Tuck running into my ankles because he just did it and now my ankle hurts. It's not, it doesn't feel soft. Woo! Wow. All right, buddy, I got you. Go ahead. Watch that big blue ramp. Uh-oh. That was weird. Felt like I lost my steering there for a minute. Hope my steering servo's not going, Tuck. Whoa! Whoa! Good air, buddy. Ready? You know what this is called? Kevin Talbot. Footage. Footage. So like I said before, we're just out here on a beautiful Sunday morning. Spending some father-son time. Bashing with our RC cars. Whoa! Ho-ho! That thing jumps nice, Tuck. Let's see it again. That thing's like perfectly balanced with that battery where we got it, bud. And there is something definitely going on with the steering servo in this sucker. It's starting to steer where it wants to steer. Probably because I do that all the time to it. That was me getting lucky and flipping it back up, bud. Dude, you came very close. Whoa, watch out, Tuck. Oh. Sometimes you land on those back wheels like that, it's like a pogo stick. Shock's too soft, shock's too hard. I haven't quite figured this thing out with the shocks. That's for sure. Pain in the neck. The only thing I'd have to say about this truck is I don't like the shock setup. My only complaint. Whoa! Good jump, bud. The one thing about having a nice big the Revo tires on here, it always, for the most part, it seems to land on the you know, those crazy rollovers. The probability of landing it seems back on its tires seem to be pretty good. Good move, bud. Oh, right into the tree. Whoa, what is going on there? We might be having some gear issues as well somewhere. Don't blame me. I've been beating the hell out of this thing for about 3 months, like I said. All right, we're gonna stop it right there. I just want to say thanks for watching RC Brucey. Hit the like button, subscribe, and what do you say, Tuck? Thanks for watching.